Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So to begin, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this crisscross look on this side of my head. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the gem shine to my part to make my part a bit more crispier, because sometimes you get here one or two hairs that are left behind, and it's good to really use a gem shine to get your part as straight as possible. So that's what I'm doing here right now. Had to apply the glasses because I was having a hard time really seeing what I was doing on this side. So yeah, I tried to get the part as straight as I could, and then from there, I am not the best at cornrowing my own hair. I just learned how to do cornrows, and I really do a better job on my daughter's hair than on my hair or my husband's hair. But yeah, I think it has a lot to do with texture as well, because her hair is a lot more finer than mine or my husband's hair. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply foaming lotion, the wrapping lotion, to my hair, as well as the gem shine. I use mostly those two products in my hair because I had already applied Jamaican black castor oil to my hair during the whole washing process for my deep conditioning, so my hair is still pretty moisturized from the castor oil. So I just added the wrapping lotion with the gem shine to my hair just to make sure that my hair stays in place. So yeah, I applied the gem shine to my hair, like just to make sure that it was a lot smoother, because I do tend to have shorter hairs to the front of my head than anywhere else, which I know a lot of us do have that too, just because of baby hairs. So yeah, that's what I was doing here, just to make sure that I caught everything I needed to catch in my cornrow. And voila! I didn't do so bad, you guys. I did pretty well. Okay, so now for the crisscross. I'm gonna go ahead and divide this section into 4. This side is pretty easy for anyone that does not know how to do cornrows on their, at all. You don't have to include the cornrow part. I did because I was really having a hard time dividing my hair up into equal parts. So those cornrows helped a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and divide my hair into 4 sections and then apply the elastic bands to give it that crisscross look. Okay, so now that I've separated these into another section, so I just divided this into 2. I'm gonna go ahead and put away the back for a moment and then apply gem shine again to my hair just to make sure that it's a nice smooth ponytail once we go ahead and catch it up. Before applying the ponytail, or the elastic bun I should say, just make sure to go ahead and moisturize the elastic band with oil just so that it does not create too much tension on your scalp. So that's what I did here, and I did go ahead and use different colors. I used white and black elastic band, so you can use any color that you choose. You can go all black or you can go multicolor, just depending on your choice. Okay, so now here I did separate the top section into two again, just because I'm just making it into a 4 section to create that crisscross look. So I'm adding the gem shine again to this section of my hair, as well as the foam wrapping lotion. And for this one, I'm using black because I did use white in the bottom section, so I'm going to use black for this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that into a ponytail. So now we're going to take the top section that we just did, and then we're going to put it with the section I'm now working with to start off with the first line down. And for this one, I'm using the white elastic band to go, I'm using the black one. I'm sorry. I'm going to be using the black elastic band just so that they're coordinating. So the black goes with the black and then the white goes with the white. And then I'm going to go ahead and twist it. Now we're going to go up with the other one, and that's our crisscross. And for this one, I'm going to be using the white elastic band. And that's it. It's so easy, you guys. Anyone can do it. Okay, so now that's it for the front. Now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the back. Okay, so I've already cornered the back, well, the half of my head. I've already cornered that down. It doesn't need to be neat. You can also plait it into, like, you can plait your hair into each other if you do not know how to cornrow. You don't have to do that for the crochet because no one's gonna really see. So you can definitely plait your hair down just so that it lays flat. So I'm just going to show you guys how I go ahead and corner it on the back, and then from there I go ahead and apply the crochet here. So this is how the back will look. I did go ahead and sew my hair together to keep it neat. I did use the Afri Nuptial spring twist in the length 12 inches and color 1B. And this is how the hair looks. Pretty springy. And you will definitely need the crochet tool as well. Okay, you guys, so here I do apologize. My camera did that and I realized a bit too late, but I will go ahead and show you how you can definitely go ahead and crochet your hair. It is not hard. So you just take the hair like this. Do not unravel it before you start putting it in because it's going to take you a longer time. So you take the hook, you open it. There's a latch for you to open. So you open the hook, the tool, before you push it through your braid. So you open it, push it through the braid, then you take the hair, you hook the hair into the hook, you close the hook, and then you pull the hair through. And that's it. I did go ahead and tie it twice. You can tie it 3 times if you feel like it's not secure enough for you, because this here was a bit more slippery. Tie it twice, and then I unravel. And yeah, it's pretty easy. It doesn't take you like no time to get this style done. Okay guys, so this is how the hair is gonna look once you finished prepping and everything. And this is a new day. I went to bed, woke up so I could allow the twist to dry. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, well, before I unravel, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see what I could do to shake this up a little bit. I feel like it needs a little trim here and there. This is how the hair looks. I wanted more of like a natural look. So and then my little twisties that I did, we're gonna unravel them. I don't know if you can see, but it does match the texture of the hair. So soft. I'm not gonna unravel it too much because I don't want it to get frizzy. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and fix my edges. I did use Style Factor Edge Booster. I haven't tried any other edge control since I bought this. If you guys have anything else that's better than this, then definitely let me know. This works, but it doesn't hold for too long. But yeah, if you guys have any other edge control that works really good for your natural hair, then definitely leave those in the comment sections down below. I did go ahead and finish trimming. I'm not really good with shaping hair to frame my face. I'm still learning, but this is the best that I received, and I love the look. I was going for more like a natural look with the crochet. This is my first time crocheting my own hair, so I think I did a really good job in doing so. And I also added 2 little gold clips. They are like little grab clips that you put over the elastic band, so they are like this, and you just attach it to the hair. Like so. So yeah, and of course you guys saw that I unraveled the twist. I like it unraveled. It looks really nice. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys did really enjoy the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!